This is the letter A. Apple. A is for apple. This is the letter B. Banana. B is for banana. This is the letter C. Cactus. C is for cactus. This is the letter D. Door. D is for door. E. E is for elephant. This is the letter F. F is for fork. This is the letter G. G is for goat. This is the letter H. H is for house. This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. This is the letter J. J is for jalapeno. This is the letter K. K is for kite. This is the letter L. L is for lemon. This is the letter M. M is for mother. This is the letter N. N is for narwhal. This is the letter O. O is for octopus. This is the letter P. P is for popsicles. This is the letter Q. Q is for queen. This is the letter R. R is for raccoon. This is the letter S. S is for snail. This is the letter T. T is for toy train. This is the letter U. U is for unicycle. This is the letter V. V is for volcano. This is the letter W. W is for wolf. This is the letter X. X is for zeros. This is the letter Y. Y is for yellow yak. This is the letter Z. Z is for zoo.